How to use highlighter to highlight part of an image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on image. So after click on image, click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, click on this decoration icon. So after click on this decoration icon, you will see highlighter is here. So click on highlighter. So after click on highlighter, so if you want to highlight text, so you will see use highlighter from here. So after using, click on save. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use highlighter to highlight part of an image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.